Hi all, my name is Wayne and I'm the owner of Blue Panda, which is a small web design agency in Chesterfield, Derbyshire. In this video I will tell you what is needed to create your very own website the professional way. First, I'll tell you the basic things you need to create your website. I'll give you both free and commercial versions for each. To be honest with you, you can do just as good a job with the free things as you can with the commercial things. First, you need a text editor. Notepad is okay for this, but I wouldn't really recommend it. Ideally, you need to use a text editor with colour highlighting. For this, I highly recommend Notepad++. It's free, it's easy to use, and it's a pretty small file size too. The industry's favourite is Dreamweaver. I don't really like it, but others do. Maybe due to the design view that it has, which makes ugly HTML code. You can find the download links for both these products at the end of the video, as well as everything else. Now you have something to create your code, you need something to make your website look nice. An image editor. For this I can highly recommend Photoshop. It's very powerful and easy to learn the basics with, plus there's thousands of tutorial websites out there. This is a very common tool in web design as well as graphics design. There's also a free image editor out there too called GIMP. This is a basic version of Photoshop. It's got some good features, but I've not really used it that much to be able to give a good review of it. And that's all you need to start creating your website really. However, to put your website on the internet, you're going to need a web host. There's thousands out there, and you can see for yourself if you do a Google for web hosting. Finding a good free web host isn't easy. They either have adverts all over, the servers crash a lot, or you don't get basic features such as FTP or email. For a free host, I'd probably say try something like Zymic.com. They offer quite a few things, and best of all, it's free. If you want a reliable host though, then you're going to have to get your wallet or purse out. It's not as expensive as you might think. In fact, I can recommend a host that's just $3.99 a month, which is fasthostinguk.com. So now you have your hosting, you will probably want a domain name too. If you went with Fast Hosting UK and you bought 12 or 24 months, you get a domain name for free. But if you didn't, you can always buy your domain name from somewhere like 123reg or even us at Blue Panda. So now you have your text editor, image editing software, hosting and domain name. Now you need to be able to link all of these together via FTP. FTP means File Transfer Protocol, which basically uploads files from your PC to your web host to make your website visible on the internet. If you use the Firefox browser, I can highly suggest you find the Fire FTP extension. It's easy to use, free, and you can use it straight from your browser, which saves you lots of time. Or if you'd like to buy an FTP client, which I can't see the point of, you can buy Smart FTP too for around £30. So that's it, that's all you really need to create your website the professional way. I've gone through a few things such as text editors, image editors, hosting, where to get your domain names from, and FTP clients. If none of this made any sense to you, please don't be scared to ask any questions on our page. We will help you as much as we can. Now here's the links for everything that's been discussed. You can pause the video anytime to give yourself time to write them down or visit their websites. Thank you for watching and I hope it's helped you.